Hi TikTok, it's Tatanisha with Officially Crowned Travel, and I have just arrived in Cancun, and I wanted to share with you my king room at Paradisus Cancun. So this is the lobby area. I'm on the 7th floor. This is the top floor of the building, and I am in the reserve area, which is adults only. And as you can see, nice bathroom, glass, rainfall showers. You have your closets over here, ample storage, ironing board standard, laundry bag, robe. The safe is also in the closet. It's a nice size. See, I have a king size bed. Nice furnishings. There's also cute some slippers and a really nice please do not disturb sign. I was equipped with a wrist bracelet to get into my room, but there is also a fully stocked bar, and they will just continue to restock it as long as you notify them of what you're missing. There's snacks in our room. You can see there's a welcome amenity. Paradisus is happy to have Officially Crowned Travel here. Got a cute little note as well. And some delicious fruit that I'm going to demolish once I finish this video. It was a long day. I started out in Nashville at 6. My flight left at 6:15 this morning. But this is the game changer and what we are all here to see. This is my view where I will be enjoying espresso for the next few days. Nice seating, fresh flowers, but this water in every shade of blue. You can see it starts from the light and goes to the dark. No sarcasm right now. None whatsoever at the hotel zone. It was like this when I was here in 2019 as well, when I stayed at a different property. There was no sarcasm, just absolutely beautiful beach water. So if you are trying to get down to Mexico and don't want to be bothered with seaweed, that was a great time. And Officially Crowned Travel can send you. Contact me, www.officiallycrownedtravel.com. Till next time, I'll bring you more here very soon. Later.